Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious keto avocado ice cream, step by step. This creamy, low-carb treat is surprisingly simple to prepare and perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 ripe avocados, about 1/2 cup of your preferred keto sweetener, and 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk. Make sure everything is well chilled before we begin. Now, let's create that wonderfully smooth base. Carefully add your 2 ripe avocados, the 1/2 cup of keto sweetener, and the 1 cup of chilled coconut milk into your high-speed blender. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is incredibly creamy and completely free of any avocado chunks. You might need to pause and scrape down the sides once or twice to ensure everything is perfectly incorporated. Once your base is perfectly smooth, it's time to transform it into ice cream. If you have an ice cream maker, pour the mixture in and churn for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until it reaches a delightful soft-serve consistency. No ice cream maker? No problem. Simply pour the mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe container, cover it, and freeze for at least 4 hours, stirring every hour for the first 2. Finally, the best part, enjoying your homemade keto avocado ice cream. For the best texture, allow it to soften at room temperature for about 10 minutes before scooping. Serve it plain, or get creative with keto-friendly toppings like sugar-free chocolate chips, a sprinkle of shredded coconut, or a few fresh berries. Store any remaining ice cream in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 1 week. Enjoy this guilt-free indulgence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.